Sales Ape AI Review. Let's get started. Sales Ape AI is an AI-powered sales assistant designed to automate lead engagement, qualification, and conversion processes. It enables businesses to train AI agents that emulate top-performing sales representatives, facilitating personalized interactions with leads across various channels such as email, SMS, and messaging services. Now let's talk about the pros. First is the instant lead engagement, automated qualification, CRM integration, multi-channel support, customizable AI training. But let's talk about its downside or the cons. It has pricing transparency, dependence on AI training quality, and it has an initial setup requirement. So in conclusion, it may offers a robust solution for automating sales processes, particularly beneficial for small to medium-sized businesses aiming to enhance efficiency without expanding their sales team. And its strengths lie in instant lead engagement, multi-channel support, and seamless CRM integration. However, potential users should be prepared for the initial setup and ensured through training of AI agents to maximize effectiveness.